look, at this point of time, if you are still depending on a Jasmeet Singh for support and to survive, you will see Trudeau exactly taking the same line. All the Khalistanis live in Canada. He goes and supports them blatantly. He comes and intervenes in our farm laws. And when they were building roads, when the locals kind of objected, he says, "Do not test the patience of Canada. We'll remove you by force." But when, and nobody removed any farmer by force in India as on date. But he wants to intervene in the internal affairs of India because his buddy, pro-Khalistani Jasmeet Singh, asked him to do. I asked Mr. Justin Trudeau, if you are again becoming a Kathputli, a puppet of this Jasmeet Singh, then what difference does it make? I mean, on the one hand, you come and you say, I want to support the farmers of India when this is none of your business. And on the second hand, you want, I want Indian-made vaccines. We are suffering because we don't have Indian-made vaccines. You have such a small population. Your biggest diaspora is Indian, and still, because of your, you know what you call personal electoral gains, you side with Khalistanis. You sing the tone of ISI. And what happens in your Canada? Where was Karima Baloch murdered? Who murdered Karima Baloch? It was ISI in Canada. When it comes to safety and security, it is the playground of ISI. You are not bothered. When all these nefarious characters act against India, you are not bothered. And when your coalition partner Jasmeet Singh asks you, you start doing Bharatnatyam as per his tunes. I mean, if this is what the Canadian Prime Minister is all about, and this is what you call victory, I'm sorry, you would have better lost. Live with dignity, serve with dignity, and your diplomacy and your foreign policy cannot be dictated by pro-Khalistanis. If you have to go and toe the same line of pro-Khalistanis, you are no different. And Vineet, let me tell you, by doing this, you will never get a majority in Canada because you lose your face when your own diaspora looks into it and say, hey, what is your business in Indian farmers? Why are you supporting these Khalistani elements when India is the country who is shipping vaccines to you, and Indian diaspora is doing great job here? They are building the Canada. They are the people who are contributing to the GDP. Why are you interfering in the internal affairs of India? What is your business, man? Nothing at all. But I'm Justin Trudeau. I am depending on Jasmeet Singh. Jo Jasmeet Paji कहना जी, ऐसी जो वही करना है. I am only waiting, and I'm just waiting when he will start speaking to Punjabi and say Ji Paji, when Jasmeet Singh Ji Paji. If that is the diplomacy, if that is what we are looking forward to, nothing will change. But Vineet, by doing these gimmicks and tactics and these semantics, you deplete yourself in the global stage. India is a B4 country, you like it or not. We are in the top 4 countries in the world, you like it or not. There is no way a country of your size stature can mess around with us.
Okay.
You be in your place, we be in our place. As simple as that.
Okay, Professor Nalapat, just introduce.
Presumes or hallucinates about. India is a superpower. India is the number 5th by GDP, number 3 by PPP, the 3rd biggest military power in the world. You like it or not, we have much more financial reserves than Canada. In fact, he has to worry about his population. If his Pakistani immigration minister stops getting, Pakistanis from all across the globe into Canada, his population is a negative. So India is where it is. We are where we are. It is for people like Canada to really think, bother and work hard to be friends with us. We don't need him. What do we need him except for 2 million diaspora? What is the relevance of India? What is the relevance of Canada in your and my life? Where does it matter? What do we import from India? What do we import from Canada? By kaun si cheez ki lod hai? Ki main Punjabi mein hi das raha hai. We don't need Canada for anything. They need us. When it comes to vaccine, we need you. And when it comes to human capital, the intelligent human capital, you again need India. You can get Jihadis, Wahhabis and Salafis from Pakistan. But when you look at the people who can make a mark like Sundar Pichai and Nadella, they have to come from India. I mean, this is what Justin Trudeau has realized. And as long as he's on those clutches of Jasmeet Singh, his political future is destined to be doomed. And you will make a joker of yourself in the world stage because your diplomacy cannot be wishy-washy. You have to be on the side of the Indian government. You have to be on the side of India. Whatever your domestic compulsions are, keep them aside. But do not get your foreign policy to be influenced by your domestic compulsions. As a leader, if your foreign policy is influenced by your domestic political compulsions, what is the message you are giving to the world? And you want Canada to be seen as a big brother or a big power in the world. Well, unfortunately, you are not. But again, when you do these stupid mistakes, you blatantly expose yourself. India is something which is India. I mean, you like it or not, we are what we are. And you are what you are.
Okay.
Jazz and Canada. That's what Canada, sorry.
Okay, all right. What we're going to do is we're also going to take concluding